Hello everybody, my name's Stan Super and we're about to play a game called the Crafty Mountain. It's like another version of, let's see, Happy Wheels. I barely got this game. Trying to see how this game is going to be. So, here's my funny one with the Crafty Mountain. Here we are. Yeah. I'm going to unlock the archers. Let's see what this game is about. Oh, I'm a monkey. Oh, monkeys. I got friends. Yeah, come jump on my boy. Get over here. Yeah, let me see that. Let go. Oh, I'll tell you to get off. Somebody, a monkey. No. You get your butt right here. Right here. Oh. Hey, get off the road. Okay, never mind. Hey, just stop. Get back. I need to use my shield. Get over here. Oh. That's I'm out of this chariot. Oh crap. Oh crap. Better go. Yeah. Oh. Oh my god. Wait, shield. Oh. I can't grab my genetically tiny arms can't grab. No. Okay, let's go. Oh my god! Go! Go me! Let go my foot! That's it! Take that! Take that too! Take that! Go me! Okay. No, screw this. I'm not getting inside again. Whoa. Phew. That wasn't so bad after all! Oh my god! Oh, Mr. Chimp, your head. Let me put you together. Come on. We can work this out. Oh! Mom, making my video. Okay. So here we go again. With this new video. Oh, no. Space Kitty. Come here. Thank you. Take me out of here. Okay, don't you let go now. Yay! Oh, your arm! Oh my god, your arm! What happened? You okay, Kitty? Kitty? Hello? Is anyone home? Hey, I'm talking to you! Oh my god! I'm gonna die! Oh! Ow! Hey, what's this? I'm trying to eat my chocolate bar! Get out! Hey, wait, what is that? Hey, what the heck is that? Chip, get out of here! Hey, come here, you little stole little color! Oh my god! No, you get back here! You're grounded! No! Chip, Space Kitty, what happened to you? So what do you think you can do? Just terrorize my friends? Well, no, thank you. I do not approve to your... I'm gonna lick his face. First, I need to get his face, get the whole body, and take it for some squatting, or whatever this is. Yes. Okay, that guy's just a total weirdo. Okay, here we go. No. Ow. What? Uh-oh. Ah!